Good morning. Welcome to Math class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is cubes and cube roots. We know that the word cube is used in geometry. As we all know, a cube is a solid figure which has all its sides equal, isn't it? Yes. So this is a unit cube. Unit cube means side 1 centimeter. Each side having 1 centimeter length is called a unit cube. So how many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 2 centimeter? That is, how many cubes are needed to make a cube of side 2 centimeter? Yes, we needed 8 cubes of side 1 centimeter to make a cube of side 2 centimeter. Like, how many cubes of side 1 centimeter is required to make a cube of side 3 centimeter? Cube of side 3 centimeter. So, we require 27 cubes of side 1 centimeter to make a cube of side 3 centimeter. Got it? Yes. So, a cube of a number is obtained when a number is multiplied itself 3 times. That is, cube of a number is 3 times that number. So, the numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, etc. are called perfect cubes or cube numbers. That is 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 3 times 2. That is 8. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2. That is 8. So 8 is a cube number. Then like 125 is another cube number. It is 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times 5. That is 125. Okay. So there are only 10 perfect cubes from the numbers 1 to 1000. And observe that the cubes of even numbers are all even. And the cubes of odd numbers are odd itself. Cube of even numbers are even and the cubes of odd numbers are odd itself. Then what about the ones place digit of the cube of the numbers ending in 1, 2, 3, 4, etc.? What is the unit place digit of the cube of the numbers ending with 1? If the number is ending with 1, the cube of the number, cube of that number will end in with 1 itself. If the number ends in 1, its cube also ends in 1. Then what about 2? If the number ends in 2, its cube will ends with 8. And if the number is 3, cube of the number or the ones place digit of the number is 7. Ends in 7. Like 4. What about 4? The unit place digit of the cube of the number is 4 itself. And if the number ends in 5, the unit place digit is 5 itself. Like 6. But 7, If the number ends in 7, then the unit place digit of the cube of the number ends in 3. If the number ends in 7, the cube will end with 3. Got it? Yes, like 9. 9 ends with 9 itself. Okay, clear. Yes. Next, prime factorization method for finding the cube root of numbers. We know that each prime factor of a number appears 2 times in the prime factorization of its square. Similarly, each prime factor of a number appears 3 times in the prime factorization of its cube. So, for finding the cube root of a number by prime factorization method, factors can be grouped in triples. And if the factors are not in triples, the number is not a perfect cube. So, we can check whether the number is a perfect cube or not by prime factorization method. If the factors are not in triples, we can say that the number is not a cube number. And if the factors are in triples, we can take one number from each triples and multiply to get the cube root. Okay, I will show you one example. First one, to find the cube root of a number. Before that, the symbol for cube root is, this is the cube root symbol. Inside the root, you can write 3. Then read it as cube root. First cube root is root symbol, and inside that root, you can write 3. Then it can be read as square root, cube root. Okay. Simply a root symbol represents square root. A root symbol represents square root. Here 2 is understood. That is square root. But in cube root, you can write 3 inside the root. Okay, clear? This is the cube root symbol. Okay, first example, 3375. Find the cube root of the number 3375 by prime factorization method. We know the prime factorization method. So, factorize using smallest prime factor. So, here the number ends in 5. So, it is divisible by 5 only. So, divide with 5. First take 33 because first 3 is not divisible. So, take 3 and 3, 33. So, in 33, 6 5s are there. 6 into 5, 30. Then balance 3. So, next number 37. So, in 37, yes, 7 5s are 35. Again 2 balance 2. So, the number becomes 25. In 25, 5 5s are 25. Again the number ends in 5. So, it is divisible by 5. Again 5. So, first number 6. In 6, 1 5 is the balance 1, 17. In 17, yes, 3 5s are 15. Again balance 2, 25. Then in 25, 5 5s are 25. Look at the number. Again it is ends with 5. So, it is divisible by 5 itself. So, first number 1 is not divisible by 5. So, take 2 number 13. In 13, 2 5s are there. 10. Balance 3. 35. 7. 7 5s are there. Now, look at the number. The number is 27. It is not divisible by 5, not divisible by 2. Not an even number. Then it is divisible by, yes, 3, because 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. How many 3s are in 27? Yes, there are 9 3s are. So 9 is divisible by 3. Again 3. 3 3s are 9. So these are the prime factors of the number 3375. So arrange the numbers as triples, because here we are going to find the cube root. Okay, so make the factors as triples. So first triples 5 5 5, 3 5s in one group, and next 3 into 3 into 3, another triples. So write this as 3375 equal to first triples 5 into 5 into 5. Then next 3 into 3 into 3. Next factors. And triples. So first triples, this is second triples. From each triples, take one number and multiply. That is the cube root. So from the first one, first triples, we can take 5, and the second triples take 3. That is 5 into 3 equal to 15 is the cube root of the number. Cube root of the number 3375 equal to 15. Okay, same method, prime factorization method. But here we can group the numbers as triples, and from each triples take one number and multiply to get the cube. Okay, clear? Yes. Then next method, one more method is there for finding the cube root of numbers. That is estimation method. Estimation, just estimate. Okay, second method, estimation method. Okay, in this method, we just estimate the cube root of the number, but through step-by-step process. Okay, simple method. Just listen. I will explain it with an example. Okay, here is a number 8, 5, 7, 3, 7, 5. A long number. Okay, what is this? 8,57,375. Just a number. Find the cube root of this number using estimation method. Very simple, just estimate. Okay, so for that, first we can group the numbers as 3 digits each. Just group or divide the number into groups. Each group having 3 digits. So start grouping from the last place itself. Okay, here onwards we can group the numbers. First group 3 numbers, including 3 numbers. First, so this is first group 375. Then next number, the remaining number is the next group. So here 3 numbers. So this is the second group. Just group. First group 375. Second group 857. Okay. Then now take the first group, and in that number, in 375, the first group number is 375. In that number, the last place number, the unit place number, will give the unit place number of the cube root of the required number. This unit place number will give the unit place digit of the cube root of the required number. Okay, so here the number is 5. So cube root of that number ends with 5 itself. Clear? Unit place digit. The number ends in 5. Cube root of the number ends with 5 itself. Okay, so that is the unit place digit of the required cube root. Okay, so that is the ones place digit, unit place digit 5. Okay, now take the second group. Take the second group 857. Second group number is 857. Then take the nearest cube root of this number. 857 is the second group number. Then take a nearest cube root from this number. So which is the nearest cube root? 857. Nearest cube number is, not cube root, cube number. Yes, it is 729. 729 is the nearest cube number. Okay, clear? Nearest cube number of 857 is 729. What is the cube root of this number 729? Yes, it is 9 cube. 9 cube equal to 729. Then what about 10 cube? 10 cube we know. 10 cube is, it is 1000. 1000. 10 cube equal to 1000. It is not near to 857. It is bigger than. Okay, so take, this is the nearest cube number. Before the second group. Okay, so 729. That is 9 cube equal to 729. So that is the cube root. Cube root of this number is 9. Okay, take that 9 as the tens place digit of the required cube root. Already we have a ones digit number. This is the required cube root and the ones place digit is the 5. And take this 9 as the tens place digit of this required cube root. So this is the cube root of the number. This. Here we just estimate the cube root. Okay. So cube root of this number is 95. Nothing. First, just divide the number into groups. Each group having 3 digits. Starting from the unit place. You can group the numbers from the last place itself. So this is last 3 digit will make first group. Then next remaining numbers make the second group. Okay. Then take the first group as 375. Then the unit place of that number, the unit place digit of that number will give the square root, cube root of the required number. So here is the unit place digit number 5. Then cube root of that number is 5 itself. Okay, that we learned. If the number ends in 1, its cube will end in 1, like that. Then reverse order. So this is the number. So it's cube root 5 itself. So take that 5 as the unit place digit of the answer, required cube root. Okay, take that as the unit place digit. Then take the second group. Second group is 857. In that group, find the nearest cube number. Just find the nearest cube number. of the given number. This is the given number 857. So the nearest cube number is 729. 729. That is 9 cube. 9 cube equal to 729. Cube. So its cube root is 9. So take that 9 as the tens place digit of the answer of the required cube root. Write that 9 in place of tens. So the number is 95. Clear? Yes. This way we can estimate the cube root of the number. Okay, clear? That's all. Okay, we will discuss the same topic in the online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.